Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're into NFTs, this is the video to be watching because we're going to look at some of the most explosive NFTs right now and the best NFTs you could potentially buy in May 2022. So let's have a little look today before we do enter the new month of May for cryptocurrency. And I just want to share this news with you. NFT bull market continues with Elon Musk buying Twitter. So despite cryptocurrency being in a bit of a bear sentiment at the moment, having a bit of capitulation in the market and losing that bull market support band and nearly the 37.2k support level, you can see we're up on so many different big NFT projects. We've got the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, we've got the Bored Ape also up, we've got Moonbird Bored Ape Kennel Club up as well, and we see the market capitalization is really growing quite a lot. Azuki is also up, we've got a new floor price there. Doodles is doing fantastic, up 20% at the same time. The NFT bull market that began in 2021 continues to show strength in Q2 2022 with many blue chip NFT collections in the top 10 currently green on the daily, and I'm sure many small ones are due to follow. We can see as well Elon Musk putting a cheeky little tweet out there. I'm selling this song about NFTs as an NFT, so that's kind of cool. So that has also created a bit of hype in the industry for the NFT market. The NFT market showed some signs for correction in early 2022, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum crashing from 69k to 4 and 4.8k back to 33 and 2.1k respectively. So it's really nice to see this flip and almost like an inverse relationship between NFTs and cryptocurrency right now. So let's have a look at the first one. It's going to be Azuki. You might be familiar with this one of our OGs. Azuki NFTs pump 100% before NFT airdrop. So this is really big news. We're up to a 21 Ethereum floor price. The Azuki NFT collection moved from a floor price of under 10 ETH in mid-March to around 20 Ethereum. That's a double your money flip right there, guys. So that's quite a big one. So make sure you're aware of this. There is an airdrop controversy as well. Some of crypto Twitter praised the airdrop. Moon Overlord tweeted, Azuki finally did an airdrop right. No sketchy sites, no weird password or connect, no gas fees for the user. Just dump the NFTs right into the people's wallets. That's what you want with an NFT project, just like a cryptocurrency project. It just goes straight in there, no fishiness. So that's really nice to see. This is what the NFTs look like on the Azuki side of things. Some cool kind of anime characters. I really like this sort of vibe, sort of like Attack on Titans, Sword Art Online sort of vibe, if you know what I mean. And here we can see from the Alley Garden, Azuki is a brand, a new kind of brand that we build together, a brand for the metaverse by the community. 10,000 NFT avatars right there. They give you access to the garden, so that's also pretty cool. There's a bit of utility right there as well. You're going to get NFT drops, live events, and some other cool things. The garden created by many. And here are a few examples of these particular NFTs. I do really like them. You can actually use on the left hand side of their website, just like if you're using an NFT rarity checker, you can click through and sort of look at the metadata and choose the different cosmetics. Maybe if you wanted a blue one, for example, where they all change. If you wanted like a red and blue, I don't know if you can have red and blue at the same time, but you could have a red Azuki one right here, special. We can see we can make one fire, and that's so cool. That's sick. Butterflies as well, fire and butterflies. I mean, that's pretty nice. Wow, I really like the aesthetics of these. These are very nice, pleasing to the eye, and I can see why there's a lot of value in here. We've also got the mind map, which is a guided, profound vision created by the largest decentralized brand for the metaverse. So always nice to have a little roadmap there. As we can see, a lot is going on. Partnerships, DAO, Bean, they're exploring, and you can see exactly where they are at the moment with their mind map, aka roadmap. The next one is gonna be Lucky Block, our crypto games and giveaway platform. They have 10,000 NFTs that have been minted, and already they've sold around 2,450. The NFT also grants you access to exclusive prize draws. So it's actually a utility-based NFT. You can actually hold money or earn money just from holding the NFT itself. So it's a blockchain protocol solution to the modern era of gambling, where you can receive great rewards and prizes simply just from holding either your Lucky Block tokens or actually holding the NFTs, which you can buy really easily. You can buy Lucky Block and PancakeSwap as well as on the website right here. So that's really easy to do, and I think they look pretty cool. They've got a launch pad right here. The floor price is 3.75 BNB. We can see we've got a big volume of 9,100 trades, and this is a young project, guys. This is one that is going to grow in the future. Solid, tangible, fully operating team and business, which actually operates in London. And I've got a big roadmap, massive potential for the future of this particular project. So I'm really keeping my eyes on it. And what is unique about these NFTs as well is a few of them are super rare. Of the 10,000, there are some super rare ones that you could luckily get, revealed only upon purchase. And if you do get those, the incentive is much higher, where you can be earning more money, more rewards simply for holding your NFT. So not only are you holding your NFT and actually potentially earning, you're also able to flip this in the future should it actually do the 10x, maybe even 20x and 30x, which the team is speculating will happen by 2025. So it's not about the instant results. If you want to be with Lucky Block and align yourself with their vision, their roadmap, it's one that you hold for a long period of time, guys. So Lucky Block is definitely on the list for me for May 2022. Big updates coming out, such as the Apple iOS launch. Their app means more network, more users. We'll also be seeing the Ethereum bridge, so that means interoperability and more volume coming through for Lucky Blocks. Amazing project right there, guys. Check that one out, luckyblock.com. Next one we're going to look at is the Bored Ape Kennel Club. Woo, woof woof. 87.9k Ethereum trade volume. That is insane. The floor price is 12.5 at the moment. We can see the Bored Ape Kennel Club NFT collection hit the new all-time high over 12 Ethereum on OpenSea. That means the cheapest one can be bought for a very modest $36,000. A huge rise considering they were given away for free as part of a charity adoption drive. What a little cutie, huh? Look at that little boy. Oh, he's so cute. This week, a rare BA KC dog was bought for only $104,000. It's solid gold fur. It's a trait and only 1% of Bored Ape Kennel Club dogs possess. So this is what I mean about, you know, the traits, the attributes that these NFTs can have to actually value them. So because only 1% of the circulating supply had this particular cosmetic or meta, it gives it extreme value and uniqueness and rarity. So that's really cool. I like to see that. Here is on the Bored Ape Yacht Club website, the Kennel Club. We can see adoption drive. It gets lonely in the swamp sometimes. That's why every ape should have a four-legged companion. So it's like an extra kind of product on the side. Limited time only. For 1 week, each and every club member will be able to adopt a club dog NFT from the Bored Ape Kennel Club. Claiming the token is free. You'll only have to pay the gas. These pups are not for sale. The only way to adopt one is to claim it by having a Bored Ape in your wallet. So that's the requirement right there to actually get one. There are a total of 10,000 Bored Ape Kennel Club NFTs. Each BA KC dog is stored as an ERC-7220, one token on the Ethereum blockchain and hosted on IPFS. So that's pretty cool right there. You can buy a dog on OpenSea. Very easy. Let's actually take a little look whilst we are here at the OpenSea Bored Ape Kennel Club. 11.1 floor price. And here they are. Really like them. This one's hurt its leg, poor thing. Got a bit of a zombie dog over here. Yeah, that's nice. This is really neat. Well done to the artist here. That's really nice, actually. Next one we're going to look at is the Moonbird's NFT's fastest growing by sales volume. And this had higher volume in 7 days that basically like Mutant Ape Yacht Club and BAYC had in a whole month in terms of Ethereum volume. We can see the popular Moonbirds NFT collection has 7 days higher sales volume in the NFT space, even higher than BAYC, CryptoPunks, Azuki combined. So I think that tells you a lot about the strength of this project and how much traction is currently occurring. By contrast, this is the 7-day volume of other blue chip NFTs ranked in the top 10. So we saw a 7-day volume of a very modest 78,000 Ethereum right there. Bored Ape Yacht Club got 7.2k, 2.8k here on CryptoPunks. Basically all of them combined, I think you could combine every single blue chip and Moonbird still actually achieve more. So that's extremely bullish for this particular NFT set. And that's the people behind this. You know, the Proof Collective is a private group of 1,000 NFT artists and expert investors. So there's really, really big people behind this project. We can see the volume already, 120k Ethereum with a 25.5 floor price, 6.4k owners, 10,000 utility enabled PFPs that feature a richly diverse and unique pool of rarity powered traits. And here are a few examples of those Moonbirds. Very interesting actually. We can see we also have a lot of breakdown on the data, the side of things here. I don't know which ones are the most rare. We've got long beaks, they seem to be rarer than the other ones, so you can see it just changes the cosmetics slightly. The background, I mean, got some colors in the background there. We also have feathers, different feather types, long feathers. We have brown feathers, green feathers. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. You have a legendary guardian feathers. Nope, nothing there. Legendary brave, nothing. Okay, so on the legendary sage, we have something that looks pretty cool. Legendary professor, do we have anything popping up? No. What else have we got here that looks a little bit rarer than the others? How about a legendary bone? Nothing. Legendary crescent. Okay, so you've got this particular one here. So you can look through, make sure you always pick and choose exactly what type of NFT you're looking for, one that is relevant to you. The next one I want to check is Lavish Lions right here. We can see 3,333 Lavish Lions entering the Solana realm to find some meat, staking, breeding, and a DAO. So pretty cool to see this particular one. I do really like this. We can already see this is operating on the Solana ecosystem. Already had 1.1 million volume in less than a single hour, as we can see right there. Really, really quite a nice new project. So this is one to keep your eyes on, one that could actually trend and definitely have its place at the podium. So already 28k followers, pretty nice to see. Here is an example on the magicden.io, which is like the marketplace for these lines. We can see 3.75 Solana floor price, average sale price is 5.87, so that tells you that these are quite flippable at the moment. And here's a few examples. They look sick. I love the look of these cheeky little lines right there, and I think they're really, really unique. So keep an eye on these ones. The next one we got on the list is going to be So Rare in top 100 NFTs. Hits 50 ETH trading volume. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So that's a lot of volume. The floor price, however, is very low, and that's simply because we have so many NFTs, bit of market saturation, big excess supply. And if you look at the actual items versus the owners, well, you could easily be owning like multiple. So you could probably assume that some of the whales or the top 10% holdings could be just owned by very few people, because it's easy to own so many. As we can see here, we had a recent tweet, top So Rare NFTs traded. The most expensive So Rare NFTs also trade for much higher than $50. Fans value certain fantasy football players as more collectible and place higher bids at the auction. Some are bought and sold for over $1,000, guys. So these can be really, really flipped. As we see this one right here, April 27, 2022, level 0, serial 11, sold for $2,500 right there. That's pretty phenomenal. So yeah, lucky person must be pretty stoked about that. We can see this is surreal.com, so it's very relevant. Anybody can play this. It's really, really easy as well, kind of like the Football Manager game. And I think it's great to see how sport is adopting NFTs at the moment. So what we can do before we wrap up this video is just look at a bit of bullish news around adoption and what's going on in the NFT market. As we can see, we're just looking at basketball and sport. NBA mints the association NFT collection. The National Basketball Association are minting a dynamic collection of NFTs called the Association with a total supply of 30,000. So this is pretty big stuff for the actual NFT space as a whole, and it's great to see these communities and big flagship sports companies, leaders, enterprises actually starting to adopt and integrate NFTs into their business models. We can also see Golden State Warriors NFT mint open, another massive sport thing. We've got minting of the second collection of Golden State Warriors NFTs opened in April 2022 in collaboration with the FTX US exchange. The first Warriors NFT drop took place shortly after the team partnered with FTX.US in December 2021, and this is a follow-up. So another really cool thing, the Golden State Warriors became the first sports team to release an NFT drop and hold the record for the most expensive sports NFT in this particular entity. You can see it's sold for over 285 Ethereum, $870,000. That is absolutely mad, guys. Another one, we've got Visa NFT Creator Program launches for small businesses. This is massive. Anytime you see Visa get involved with cryptocurrency, can't help but to feel bullish. Visa continues to be bullish on NFTs, announcing today that they will launch an NFT program to help creators interested in building their business with NFTs. Now, this means basically Visa are bullish on Ethereum, guys, as well as the UK government, because they want to mint their own NFTs, and in order to do that, you got to hold Ethereum. So thank you, UK government. Thank you, Visa. You've told us that you do love a bit of Ethereum, so that's pretty cool. Fidelity launch and Metaverse ETFs invest in the metaverse. Fidelity are adding exchange traded funds, ETFs, which allow a wider range of investors to learn about and invest in the metaverse and crypto space. Based in the USA, Fidelity Investments Inc. is one of the largest multinational investing and asset management platforms in the world, with several $1 trillion in assets under its administration. So pretty cool to see. Another huge adoption piece of news. And this will help people invest in the metaverse, get their foot in the door, so to speak. And yeah, this is great. I think we're nowhere near mass adoption, guys. We're nowhere near mass adoption. Amazon platform to support NFTs down the road. This is another massive piece of news. And Amazon NFT marketplace to buy and sell NFTs is possible down the road on the platform. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy told CNBC in an interview. I don't have Bitcoin myself. We're probably not close to adding crypto as a payment mechanism in our retail business, but I do believe over time you'll see crypto become bigger and bigger. I expect that NFTs will continue to grow very significantly, and I think that's really cool. Really cool to see. So Amazon warms to crypto adoption is basically the key message in this particular piece of news. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I just want to say, please hop into this Discord channel of mine if you want to receive some nice charts, if you want to talk to people like-minded with cryptocurrency, if you want to receive the DCA strategy as well for trading, as well as DCA charts and daily take profit zones. I do also do calls and cryptocurrency trading signals for the people that want to become patrons. It's a price of a coffee, £3, £5 and £8 options. This will help you with your crypto journey. So if you want to support the channel, also become a patron, show the love. I very much appreciate that, guys. Price of a coffee. Make sure you do subscribe to this channel as well. Big thanks to the patrons, and leave suggestions down in the comments below. See you soon. Much love from Jake. Bye now, guys.